Yeah, baby.
$100 per quilt. Yeah, well, this is handmade quality shit we're talking here. Yes, well, when do you need them by?
Hey, Jim. Hey. You might remember in the last video I opened up a box that had the differential housing cover, an aluminum thing that I got from eBay, and it was damaged in shipment. It had dings and dents. It had no wrapping. It had no packing material in it. So I returned it. But the rear end on the truck is actually starting to leak worse and worse. So I really got to get on this, and we're gonna. And right here behind me, I gave eBay another chance. So let's open these up. This time I got one for the rear and for the front. So let's see how these work out. You might also notice the Z4 is not in the garage. Yeah, we'll have to discuss my terrible paint job in another video. Anyway, let's open these. Right. Okay. They didn't rattle or shake around, and right away, there's a difference right there. My beer out of the way. There's actually packing material in here, so I already know these are going to be much better. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Let's see. Okay. That looks pretty awesome. Yeah. Let's see about the surface here. Yeah, beautiful. Okay. Quality piece. I'm looking forward to opening the other one now. Okay, this is our second one. Again, very nicely packed. And these are coming with the gasket and all new bolts. So that's nice. Come on out of there. All right. Okay, that looks pretty good. That's gonna look nice on the old girl. All right. Well, let's see about putting these on. Yeah, you can see that this is really a mess back here. I've let it go way too long. So I'm gonna have to go get the new gear oil for the axles before I actually take these apart. And I'm gonna clean them real good. I'm gonna degrease them and pressure wash and try to get all this sludge and nasty stuff off before I take anything apart. Yeah, the front one isn't quite as bad, but it's still been leaking for a while too. So this is high time we did all this stuff. But you know what? I just got sidetracked. You might recall that some mouth-breathing asshole cut off my catalytic converter and made off with it recently. Well, it's been a couple months. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger and put in a California approved replacement, even though it was more expensive. So what I'm doing now is I'm figuring out a way to make it like right here. I've started, you'll see I put a chain to this nut here. Now I'm going to get under here and tack weld that nut so you can't take it off very easily. And I'm going to actually tack weld the chain, and then I'm going to put some extra stuff over the length of this. So I'm going to get under here with my welder and make this cat much harder to steal. Hopefully what it'll do when I have chains and extra stuff on the pipe, what that'll do is it'll make it so the next guy that looks under here with his cordless Sawzall, he'll see all of this crap and he'll say, "Oh, screw it," and he'll go somewhere else. That's the plan. This is my Harbor Freight welder. I've had it for about a year and a half. It's pretty good. I made all the bumpers and everything for the X5 with this. And it'll work on 110 volts or 220 volts. And I have this set up Right now we're running on 220 volts. I haven't tried it on the 110 volt setting, but we're gonna get under here and weld some stuff. All right. I think I have enough crap welded onto here to stop the thievery. Let me show you. So I added this rod here and just tacked it on all the way down, and that will help slow down the cutting so you can't just go slice right through this pipe. It'll take a little bit longer to cut through that loose rod. And then I got these chains that are tacked on all the way around, and then they're welded to the frame. And then I got one up here that sticks in that I've welded to the frame that goes around the other side and welds on from the top. And same thing over here. And then I added some rods on this side as well. So all of that should make it so the creep that wants to steal my catalytic converter will have a hard time. And even if they try to take it, hopefully it'll still be hanging here, and they'll give up and leave. But I'm thinking when they look under here and they see all this crap, they'll say, nope, and they'll go find somebody else to rip off. I'm not going to do the differentials today. I know that's what I started out going to do, but I'm going to do the differentials tomorrow. I really am. That means another video tomorrow. Yay, lucky you. Thanks for watching.